Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add PayPal payments to Shopify. So first of all, what you have to do, open shopify.com and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, you have to find settings on the dashboard, which is on the bottom left corner of the screen. Select settings. Now from here you will be able to see multiple options. You have to find and go to the option called payments. Select payments. Now here you will be able to see Shopify payments, activate Shopify payments, but we have to activate our PayPal. So we will select activate PayPal. What it will do, it will open a new tab. So if I select that and select activate, it will open new tab. Once the page has been loaded, you have to select the country or the origin. Once selected, you have to input your email address of your PayPal account. Now once two-step verification has been confirmed, it will open a new page automatically. You need a PayPal business account to accept payments on Shopify. So you sign in with a personal account. So what I will do, I will convert my personal PayPal account into a business account, or I have an option to create a new business account separate with the business account. So I will create a new business account and follow with the following prompts. Once my account has been created, then what it will do, it will automatically connect my PayPal account to my Shopify. So it will not be activated instantly. It will say it is pending. So Shopify will take some time to verify if the right account has been connected. There is no any other activities like false activities. Once they're confirmed, you will see in the payment section that your PayPal has been activated. And then if you go to the payment section, you will be able to see that PayPal is activated. You will see activated button over here. And that's simply how you can connect your PayPal payments with Shopify account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.